It's real-time real estate. Whether you are active in the market or will be soon, your success when buying, selling, or investing in real estate is dependent on staying ahead of the market. Making the informed decision in an ever-changing market can be done with the help of the Delaware Valley's top real estate agents who are part of the Hope Matters radio team. Here's Justin Gall from the Justin Gall Group with this week's Real-Time Real Estate Report.
Welcome back to another great segment of Real-Time Real Estate. After enduring a winter like we just had, it's time to get outdoors and enjoy the weather. I'm going to give you some great advice on ways to improve the outdoor space at your home and some landscaping tips as well. The first piece of advice is add a patio or deck. Both are great for entertaining or for lounging during your free time and is a must-have feature for your home. If natural stone or brick patio pavers are out of your budget, concrete pavers are a budget-friendly alternative. Secondly, homeowners should treat their outdoor space and backyards like another room in the house by adding built-in kitchens, fire pits, or barbecues, and using decorative planters and garden art to put their own stamp on their outdoor space. Homeowners should think comfort, and instead of plastic patio furniture, a better option would be an oversized sofa, armchairs, and tables made for the outdoors. This will not only entice the homeowner to spend more time outdoors, but their family and friends as well. Also, think about lighting. LED and solar are becoming increasingly popular. Use strings of lights, torches, or LED glass pavers that can be incorporated into the hardscape. Now let's transition into some landscaping tips. First, you must make sure your soil is healthy, fertile, and well drained. An easy test is dig a hole and look for earthworms. The more you see, the healthier the soil is. Once you have identified that your soil is ready, make sure you plant plants that are normally found in your area and have adapted to the soil, water, and weather patterns of your area. Utilizing low water use plants, native grasses, and mulch will create a low water and low maintenance landscape. This makes your yard easier to care for and gives it the best chance of looking great. Also, another benefit is gardening can burn up to 400 calories an hour, so get out there and get planting. If you can't do the work yourself, it's very important to hire the right landscaping professional. Make sure you get numerous quotes and a detailed list of the work that is going to be completed. Also, whether doing the landscaping yourself or hiring a professional, always make sure that the soil or mulch is sloping away from your home. Usually the first and cheapest fix to a home that is getting water in the basement is changing the grade of soil outside of the home. So good luck out there this summer, and whether you're buying, selling, or just curious to learn more about the real estate market, feel free to find us on the web at thejustingallgroup.com.